Today's cryptic crossword clue is shop unpacked jewellery vault. And as soon as we read the clue, we're there, aren't we? We can picture it. We're in a jewellery store with a safe where the staff are unpacking the jewellery out of that safe. And that's what's so good about this clue is the setter is getting us to latch on to this picture, this way of reading these words that is ultimately going to be misleading because the setter is using at least one of them in a different way. And we can start by looking at the word unpacked, which is probably the clearest wordplay indicator, which is asking us to treat a word like a box where the outside letters of that word are the box itself and the inside letters are the things in the box. And if we throw the things in the box out, we're just left with the edges of the word, the first and the last letter. And so maybe this is a word that begins with SP from shop, or maybe it's a word that begins or ends with JY. Well, hardly any words start with JY, and JY is also an uncommon ending, so maybe it's easier to start with the idea that our answer word begins with SP. And then if we look at the word jewellery, we might not look for a synonym of jewellery, because there aren't as many of those, but there are lots of examples of jewellery. And we might find the word ring, which would give us spring. And the Olympics has been on, and we should all be able to recognize that to spring is to leap, is to vault.